Hello everybody. So today I bought a GoPro Media Mod. We're going to try it out. Did some research on it. It's supposed to improve the overall quality of the sound of the GoPro Hero Black 8. So let's try opening this thing up, see what we got. It's a lot more difficult to open this. Just going to destroy the packaging. Let's pull it out. It comes in a nice white box. With the clamp. Here's the device itself. Now, if you've seen a bunch of YouTube channels and videos on this, the nice thing about this is that you insert the GoPro into it. It's got this little adapter on the inside where then you can monitor or add additional devices to the shoe mounts that are located on the top and the side. So you guys can hear me now with the GoPro in the standard audio. I do have a muff on it, so to try to reduce that sound of wind. Thanks, Paul. Alright, so now here's a test. We just put the GoPro Media Mod, or attached it rather, to the GoPro Hero 8. So here is my voice now. I have my son over here, Paul. Paul, why don't you talk? Let's see how you sound in comparison. Stay.
Okay.
Let's restart.
Okay.
Hold on, just stop it. Yeah. Alright everybody, so we got the GoPro Media Mod attached to the GoPro, and here is the sound audio of me talking. We'll see how it is compared. We'll retake it off and do another little test of just the standard GoPro without the Media Mod. My son Paul is behind the GoPro right now. Paul, why don't you talk and let's see how you sound.
Hello.
Say a little bit more.
I don't know. I don't know what to say. Hello.
That's probably good enough. So let's try that, and we're going to take it off and see how it compares to the original. Alright everybody, here is the GoPro without the Media Mod. And this is what I sound like. And let's hear Paul.
Hi.
Say a little bit more again.
I don't know what to say again.
There we go. Well, we're going to test it out at some point on a future hike and see how it compares to just the standard GoPro without the Media Mod and then with the Media Mod.